Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So the weather today is so pretty, I figured I didn't need my lights for this video because I just wanted to do a quick video because I'm really excited. I have been wanting to order a mixed media girl painting for a while. I've seen a lot of paintings that she's done in the past that I've liked and have always thought it would be really fun to have a piece of her work, especially because her channel is one of the ones that got me into paint pouring, but I just hadn't seen the one that called to me until just recently. So I'm going to leave it a surprise until I open, but I wanted to do an unboxing video because obviously I haven't seen this painting in person yet, and I'm very excited to see what it looks like. So I'm going to be careful opening this up because I don't want to ruin the painting underneath. I will hand it to her. This is very hard to get into, which means that it was going to travel well. Okay, so it's in bubble wrap in here. And, oh, this is just, I thought this might be more address stuff, but it's just leftover cardboard. So again, I'm gonna open it up. And it looks like it has some glassine paper or parchment paper wrapped around it, which actually, this is really nicely folded because you can't really tape this stuff to itself. This is really nice. So there's her card. I really like her logo. I've always thought that was really pretty. And I like that she signed it on here. That's really cool. And has the year. I like doing that because then people kind of, if they go back to look for your video, they know approximately when to look at, and it's just kind of nice for documenting when you've done a painting. Okay, so I haven't turned this around yet, so I am excited to do so. Oh my gosh. Do you see that gold? Wow. Now, a lot of you probably know these are some of my favorite colors to paint pour with, so when I saw them on this painting, I knew I needed to have it. And my favorite thing, well, one of my favorite things to get in a painting is lacing. And, I was just so drawn to this beautiful lacing on this painting. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm glad I left the window open because you can see that shimmer on here. Look at this. This was a paint pour that she did on one of her Amazon videos, I believe. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. I want to start kind of getting some art pieces for my own walls and kind of expanding my decorations, so very excited to have this. Well, thank you for watching this short video. I was just so excited to unbox this, and I wanted to share it with all of you. I'm guessing it's more than likely that you've already checked out her channel, but if you haven't already, go check out Mixed Media Girl on YouTube. She does some really, really pretty stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see my upcoming videos, and I hope you have a great day.